In this tutorial, you will learn how to grow a text in a video and how to make the cinematic intro in the video. What's up everybody, my name is Marcus and I'm a video editor and I love it. And now let's just go and I will teach you how to actually zoom on text. All you have to do is go to titles, and I have footage, you need a footage of course. I have footage here. Bang. And now I want text there. So go to titles and go to text. Now we have a text here, but first what we need to understand, we need to have our text to the end. Opa, wait a second. When it quits, so okay, and this should be enough. Now we have our basic text. Bang. And the text do nothing, but so we need to animate it now. Let's go to the Fusion. Wait a second. Yep. Fusion, the second bar here, which is near the text. Let's also like freedom. All right, what do you say about that? And now we want to animate it. So first you need to go with your red bar here to the end of the video. Not to the end, but yeah, to the end of the text. That's what I meant. So like here, okay. And this is the size we want to achieve in this part of the video. So on the end, I'm going to click the object next to size here. So click the object, and now I clicked it. So I commanded to the Vinci that on the end, I want it to be this big, the freedom text. Now grab your red line bar, or how would you call it, go in the beginning and move all the size completely here. So right now I commanded it on the beginning of the video, it will be far that I can't even read it. And I want from the program, so from the beginning to the end, it will come. Bang. But that's not all. What you need more, and this is pretty important, is the fade out. So again, I will go right click right in the end. I'm in the end of the text. I'm going to right click and I'm going to add a 30 frame cross dissolve. So now let's see how it looks like. Okay, it's coming. The music is wonderful. The music is so wonderful. And this was it. This is how you do. If you like this video, comment below, and also you can support me with subscribe, and I will be pretty thankful for that. Thank you all guys, and have a great day. See you in the next video.